So arrived in Vietnam, got to go to the bus station. It's about $1 for a bus into District 1. So let's go figure out where the bus is. I'm at the Lucky Star Hotel in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. It's a street view. About a 35-minute from the airport, only 8 kilometres, but traffic was horrendous. Anyway, here we go. Hello, how are you? So there's 2 Lucky Star hotels within 500 metres of each other. Same company, different locations. District 1, just go check into the correct one. The security guard gave me a ride on his motorbike. Check into this one. Hopefully it's right. Right, I'm in 501. Look around, city views. And there's a bit of an issue checking in. When I checked in, they wanted me to cancel the booking.com booking and then book at the hotel because they didn't want to pay the commission fee on the booking.com, so a little bit of a scam. Let's see what they offer. Everything you need. Bum gun. TV. Shouldn't have got to pay for that. Little fridge. No room safe. Kettle. Aircon. Anyway, here I am. Right, so I'm changing rooms because the bed is full of hair and dirt. Anyway, next room. Right, so I've just changed rooms to 301, basically the same layout. Everything's the same, a bit cleaner. It's pretty old though, it's got black mold. We are in Vietnam. Don't expect too much. Yeah, the other room had black hair all in the bed. Pretty mank. Anyway, same layout. Here I am. City views. So I'm in District 1, Ho Chi Minh, Saigon. So many jokes going around in my head. I'll do a street walk in a second, just show you the room now. So there's no room safe, has a little fridge. Oh, it's not that bad, I don't mind it. See if the aircon works. Lucky Star, the other one. District 1, Ho Chi Minh, Saigon. Alright, have a look around the street. Coffee shop on the corner, ATM around the corner, 7-Eleven just down there. It's right there actually. Chaos. Love it. $2 Australian for that. Lucky Star Hotel in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Just down this street here is where all the bars and clubs are. The end of this street, turn right. Right, so But Vien Street is the place to be apparently. Okay, now I see why. Reveiew Lucky Street. Saigon. Overall, the hotel is pretty good. The location is fantastic. 100 meters to everything you need. Very close. District 1, Saigon. Highly recommend. Oh, don't highly recommend. I recommend the location. Maybe look at other hotels. But yeah, for the value, what I paid, pretty good value. And I hope you enjoy the video. Got many more coming. Enjoy.